With Russia continuing to consume large quantities of ammunition, Ukraine makes sure both the ammunition and system using them are getting destroyed. With Russia running low on self-propelled artillery, having lost around 1,000 of these systems, and most likely even more towed artillery. Ukraine is working hard to reduce these for each day, with Russia using very old as brand new equipment as they don't have the luxury to choose anymore. While most of Russia's artillery isn't as impressive, they are using whatever is operational left, with Ukraine leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.